mattress topper from Amazon came. It was a prime deal with a $10 off coupon. It's made for a twin size bed, which is what I have, which I already have a foam topper on here. So I'm going to put that over the foam topper. Hopefully maybe I can sleep without pain. Now I'm going to have a little trouble doing this on my own, and I know it. It's got really, really deep, just because it's going to cover the mattress and the, what do you call that thing underneath? Bed spring. Bed spring. But yeah, get it. And look, it even has two cute little pockets here to keep the remote handy. I can never find the remote. So, but my room's a mess. There's no room to put anything. Very small room. But I'm going to need some help making my bed. This could be an all-day affair. Oh, I got new sheets, thanks to Dory did it. Beautiful new sheets to even put on here. Man, I'm going to be sleeping like a queen. Thank you, Dory did it. I love you. Well, I was able to lift this side of the mattress up and get that down. Problem is the back side. I can't pull it toward me. Then I remembered trucker tool, a fifth wheel pull. That might do it. I might get it under there and then yank the mattress toward me and then I can... How about that? I never threw away my fifth wheel pull. Never know when the thing might come in handy. That's why I save so much crap, because I know I'll need it one day. Well, I just had a thought. Scary, huh? Here's the beautiful sheet set that Dory had sent to me. But it's flannel, which is great for the cold weather. But look at my mattress topper. It's got the pocket there. If I put the sheet on, it's going to cover the little remote pocket. So it says bamboo. It's supposed to help keep you cooler. And I'm always hot, so I'm going to have to get behind the bed and try to lift that side of the mattress up. The fifth wheel pull worked real good. But I ran out of oomph. I almost had it. I just ran out of oomph. We're going to get this. Well, we got her done. Some grunting, some old lady gymnastics, and one of the metal slats fell down and took 3 tries to get it back on, but we did it. We did it. Now, I have clean sheets and clean blankets out on the line. I don't want to put the flannel sheets on yet. First of all, it'll cover those pockets that I need. But it's a bamboo to help keep you cool, because I'm really warm now. It's time for my Schneider shower. Do you know what a Schneider shower is? That's when you go to the truck stop and they announce over the loudspeaker, Schneider, party of 4, your shower is ready. That's terrible.